Alright, what's going on, traders? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be recapping my 4 trades that I took today. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm about to share you guys my P&L. So this is my P&L for the day. As you guys can see, I'm up a little less than $100 today. And I'll be going over the trades right now with you. So to start off, I took Amazon, as you can see, at 2666, negative $73, and I'm going to show you what happened here. So as we can see, pre-market, Amazon was finding a resistance level, which started to act as a support level. Market open. So I was pretty bullish on Amazon, anticipating a move up and over and a continuation of its momentum to the upside. So once I noticed this previous pre-market, this morning resistance break, and we find a higher support here, I decided to take a long position. Took a long position, felt comfortable taking this. I took it here. As you guys can see, I had about a 5-point stop. It came up and it ended up stopping me out down there. I think this directly correlated with the market. The market was influencing Amazon a lot. What I was noticing is there's more buying pressure 100% of the time than selling pressure. It just so happened that it didn't work this time, and really, it's no big deal. But that was my Amazon trade, $73 loss. So next trade we're gonna go over is MSFT. So Microsoft, ticker symbol Microsoft, doing something as well. Had a pre-market resistance, some resistance over here. And as you can see, this resistance level over here was acting as a support level. And when I mean resistance was acting as a support level, I mean that this is a level where sellers tends to step in. They probably think that the stock is overpriced at this point, or it's at the top of its range. So what happened is this resistance got taken out, meaning the buyer stepped in and took control of the stock, breaking out of all the pressure that it had here. Found a higher support, came back, retested it, and as you can see, market open and found a higher support level up here, then came up here and found a higher support here. So I decided to take my position once it broke over pre-market high, and I took a position at 191.84 with a 40-cent stop at this previous support level. I sold this way too soon, and I'm going to tell you the reason why. The reason why I sold too soon on this trade was I was in a different trade, which I'm going to show you afterwards. But I was in 2 trades at the same time, working both fantastic for me, and I really didn't have time to focus on both trades, so I decided to cut this one short. I was pretty happy with the profits that I came out with, so came out with about $131 loss, a little more than my risk, which is always a good trade. And yeah, that was that. So I must have sold like somewhere around here, let my shares ride, and okay, yeah. So I moved my shares to break even, and it stopped me out over here. Um, but yeah. So now taking a look at the next trade, we're gonna be taking a look at Tesla. Um, as you can see, the real move is happening now, but no big deal. So we're going to be taking a look at Tesla. Tesla, similar to the other stocks, had a resistance, had a support level, and tried cracking under. It got bought up, and as you can see, it started creating a series of higher lows. So higher low, higher low, higher low. And I wanted to see a break of this level. So what I was looking at around this time was about this. So as you guys can see, it was bull flagging to the upside, and it had a bunch of sellers around this level. So I was looking for the break. So as you can see, I took at 998 entry, 994 stop loss. Why 994 was my stop loss was because it was a whole number, and I honestly was just looking for a scalp trade on this, but the real support, and I knew it was down here. The real support was about 8 points. I was risking just about 4, trying to get in a quick scalp. Nothing wrong with that. Was Now where I did mess up, not necessarily messed up. I took a I took about a minute away from my computer. I was busy doing something else, and this spiked about 5 points. Still didn't hit my target, but it was about 6 points, a little more than my win of one. So I would have been about 130, 140 in this area, up on the money. And as you guys can see, it came back and stopped me out. Why did it stop me out? Well, because my stop was too tight in this case. Um, and I'm also gonna say why. Another reason why it was tight. Well, as you can see, during the morning, about the first 35, I mean, but of the first hour trading, super clean price action. You can see trading down, trading up, trading down, trading up, trading down. Very, very clean price action until it hit about 1,000. So then this is where you can start seeing super choppiness. I never expected Tesla to do this. Um, that's why I had my stop tight as well. Clean price action until it just came like this. And, sometimes that happens. And what I should have done was set my stop to the real support level. I didn't, got taken out. So came out with a loss there. Now taking a look at my best trade of the day, we're going to be taking a look at UAL. I had a $188 winner on that. So we're going to be taking a look at UAL. So ticker symbol UAL. As you can see, in a consistent downtrend the last 2 days, and was consolidating market open. So it was bear flagging market open. I took a position at 41.50 short, 60-cent stop. Um, we're gonna see what happened here. So I got an initial push down. I was up about 130 roughly. It got bought up. I was once break even, but my entry, what was a pre-market support where buyers stepped in, was now an area where sellers were stepping in and controlling the stock to the downside. So if I was risking 60 cents, I almost got about, so 120 would have been my 2 to 1. I sold about roughly for $1. So I sold about here. I took a partial here, let my shares consolidate, and they end up coming back. I sold my position, my extra shares riding. Usually, what I would do is just set my shares to break even. Um, like I said, I was in Microsoft at this time. So Microsoft and UAL were my two trades that I were trading at the same time. As you can see, if I would have let my 50 shares ride, or my 1/4 shares, I could have came out possibly with a $150 win from that alone. So yep, that's what happened there. And alright traders, that concludes this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'll also be leaving my Discord down below. It's a community of like-minded individuals that I'm trying to grow. It's 100% free, and I hope to see you there.